To make peanut chutney, we need 100 gram peanut, mungfali, 2 tablespoon split chickpeas, chana dal. If it is not available, then you can skip it. 5 to 6 peeled garlic cloves, half inch ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, 2 dry red chilies, 18 to 20 curry leaves, 1 small piece tamarind, imli, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds jeera, half tablespoon mustard seeds sarso, half tablespoon black gram urad dal, 2 pinch asafoetida hing, 2 tablespoon oil and salt to taste. First, we will turn on the flame and heat a pan on medium flame. Then add peanuts and roast it for 3 to 4 minutes on low medium flame till the peanuts start to separate the skin. Do not roast on high flame, else they might burn and taste bitter. Once the peanuts have been roasted, turn off the flame, take it out in a plate and allow it to cool down. Once it is cooled down, remove the skin completely like this. If you don't want to remove the skin of peanuts, then you can also blend along with the skin. Put the roasted peanuts in a blending jar. Now turn on the flame again. Add 1 tablespoon oil in the same pan and let it heat on medium flame. When oil gets heat, add 1 small tablespoon cumin seeds, tamarind, garlic, ginger, green chilli and few curry leaves. Mix it all and fry it for a minute on medium flame. After 1 minute, add split chickpeas, chana dal and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool down a bit or leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes. Transfer it to the same blending jar. Now add half cup of water, salt to taste. Close the lid and grind it to make a fine paste. You can see it looks like this. If you like a liquidy peanut chutney, then increase the quantity of water. Usually peanut chutney is made thick. Transfer the chutney into a bowl. For tempering peanut chutney, turn on the flame again and heat the same pan. Add 1 tablespoon oil and let it heat properly. Once the oil heated, keep the flame to low. Now add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black gram, red chilies, few curry leaves and asafoetida hing. Mix it all and fry it for a minute on low flame. Keep stirring. As you can see, curry leaves become crisp and red chilies also change color. Now turn off the flame and put the tempering on the peanut chutney. Mix it well. Our peanut chutney is ready. You can serve it with idli, dosa, vada or pongal of your choice. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my recipe, hit like, subscribe my channel and press the bell button for notification.